Hotel is one of the most popular and loveliest beach town on Sri Lanka's western coast. It's located in the Gold district of Southern Province and situated on the southern bank of Lanka River mouth. It's located 65 kilometers south of Colombo. Bentota Beach has a unique and peaceful shore. Though, like the other beaches, there are clear blue water and golden white sand. The beach can boast of its tranquil environment. This is one of the reasons why the beach is a retreat for beach enthusiasts who want to lounge on the sunny beach in a quiet and isolated environment. On the west coast of the Sri Lanka, Bentota is the ideal location for watch activities. If you are hoping to visit Sri Lanka, Bentota is the ideal place for you. Throughout today's sessions, I'm going to do a yoga flow that anyone can do easily without any knowledge about yoga. During this 15 minutes full body yoga workout series, you can tone your inner and outer body. If you are new to yoga or if you are keen on doing yoga practice, this is a great sequence for you. Only you need your body and open mind with open heart. Today yoga flow start with the standing position Tadasana. Feet together, shrink your abs, look forward. Now, slowly raise your hands toward the sky while inhaling. Exhale and bend your upper body forward. Again, inhale, raise your hands toward the sky and exhale, bend your upper body forward. Inhale, raise your hands toward the sky and exhale, bend your upper body forward. Inhale, welcome to new oxygen to your body and remove all the carbon dioxide from your body. When you are breathing, get oxygen to fill your lungs and while exhale, remove carbon dioxide and shrink your lungs. Here, try to follow the breathing technique 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪. In here, you will feel good. Now, you are in Padhastasana. In here, bring your one leg back and come to its toes and keep it straight. Your forward leg should be 90 degrees. Palms are flat on the floor and look forward. Now you are in staying 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪. Bring your back leg forward. Again come to the Padhastasana. Now bring your other leg back. Again come to the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪. In here, make sure you are getting your leg back to inhale while get your leg forward to exhale. And always keep your forward leg at 90 degrees and palms should be placed on the side on the legs and your knee and chest should be closer. If you cannot place your palms on the floor, means your calf muscles are not stretched well. So practice this movement, you can stretch your calf muscles too. And this movement will affect you to strong your abdominal muscles and highly effective to the balance chakra such as Manipura and Swadhisthana, as well balance the bandhas too. Now, bring your both legs back and come to your toes. Your palms are flat on the floor. Keep your upper body and lower body straight both. While inhale, raise your butt up, exhale down your butt and come to the flank. So inhale, come to the Parvatasana, exhale, come to the flank. Go with 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪 breathing technique too. Put your knee on the floor, sit on the soles of the feet, come to the Vajrasana. Keep your palms on the floor and place your chest among the palms, come to the Ashtanga Namaskarasana. In here, your palms are side on your chest, your butt should be up. Your toes, knees, chest palms and chin should be on the floor. Make sure not give the weight to your chin and your neck should relax. When you again move to the Balasana, try to keep your butt on the heel and sit on the soles of the feet. When you stay at Balasana, try to keep your forehead on the floor. Now, down your butt and come to the upward facing dog. Your palms are parallel with your chest. Then, while inhale, raise your upper body up and look up. While exhaling, relax your upper body to down. When your upper body up is up, you are staying on the Bhujangasana. When you are breathing, get oxygen to fill your lungs, and while exhaling, remove carbon dioxide and shrink your lungs. Here, try to follow the breathing technique 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗪𝗪. This movement highly affected smoothing your spinal cord and avoiding back pain as well, and help to straighten your abs too. Slowly raise your butt up, give the weight to your palms, turn your total body forward and raise your upper hand toward the sky. Now your body weight is going to your toes and palms. Concentrate your mind and body onto the side flank. Then change the other side too. When you are staying at the side flank, your total body should be straight. You should have a better arms balance. As well as this pose help to stretch core muscles as well. This asana help to develop the 5 main components of strength, speed, flexibility, endurance and balance. When you are entering the asana, get breathing, and when you are relaxing from asana, do exhale. Practice this sequence, you can easily enter to advanced yoga pose. Not only that, but also it helps to balance bandhas of Hasta bandhas and Pada bandhas. Now keep your knee on the floor, make your balance. Now while inhale, push your butt up and transfer the weight to palms and stretch forward while inhale. Look up. You will feel your spinal cord look as upward arch. We are in cow pose. Your upper body has a total stretch. While exhale, curve your upper body and shrink your abs. Release your weight to your palms and stay like a cat. This movement will help to avoid back pain in your body. Not only that, but also smooth your spinal cords as well. Finally, it's helping to balance chakras such as Swadhisthana and Vishuddha chakra. Also balance bandhas such as Hasta bandha and Pada bandhas. Also, it's the amazing asana you can practice the 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗪 breathing techniques too. Again, come to your toes. Your body weight transfer to your palms and toes as well. Now, kick your legs slowly up and come to one leg downward facing dog, and then quickly down your toes and place your side on the other leg's knee. Open your chest forward. Now you have to balance your total body from one palms and toes. Now you are staying 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗪. This is a beautiful asana. You can easily manage 5 components of the strength, speed, flexibility, endurance and balance. Since this asana helps to develop the blood circulation system of the body, it finally helps to develop the health of the inner body too. As well as when you are staying 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗪asana, your chest has go wider. Through that, your lungs will expand and it allows for deep breathing and breathe out. It helps to develop the health of your respiratory system as well, and your calf muscles, abdomen and arms will be stronger. Your body practice to endurance your body weight also. This is the best sequence of balance bandhas and chakras in your body. Also, when you feel this asana, tone your upper and lower body. every single cells of allowed to bend and stretch. You can get a total body workout practicing 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗪𝗪. Relax. Now keep your knee on the floor, sit on the soles of the feet, come to the Vajrasana. Allow yourself normal breathing and breathe out. This is the best asana to increase the health of digestive systems. Keep your palms on the floor and stretch your lower body forward. We are moving to practice 𝗙𝗪𝗟𝗪𝗪. While exhale, bend your upper body forward and try to keep your forehead on the knee and place your palms on the toes. Try to push your upper body forward. While inhaling, raise your hands toward the sky. When you are practicing Paschimottanasana, it's highly affected to the balance chakras such as the Mūlabandhana chakra. As well as it's helped to increase the health of the digestive systems. Since your abdominal muscles are going to shrink and stretch, it helps to burn unnecessary fat which is stored in your abs too. If you are suffering from sexual diseases, this will be a good asana to avoid sexual issues. And this asana to your diet practice adding to. Now slowly lie on the mat. Keep your palm side on your eyes. We are moving to the practice Uttan Padasana. While inhaling, bring your upper and lower body up. While exhaling, slowly relax your upper and lower body. There are several benefits of practicing this asana. Concentrate your mind on your abs. When you move the Uttan Padasana, you will feel your abs shrinking and stretching. Through that, your abdominal muscles will be strong. Help to burn the fat on the abs. This asana helps to increase the health of the nervous systems. If you are suffering any issues in your abdomen, this is the best asana to control this issue. Now, keep your palm side on your upper body. We are moving to practice Pada Uttasana. Feet together and keep your legs straight and toe pointed. While inhaling, raise your legs toward the sky and while exhaling, slowly down your legs. Keep your mind that when you are down your legs, do not down at once. Slowly down, without harming your heels. Also, when you are raising your legs, try to stay in 90 degrees. Now we are moving to practice Halayasana. While inhaling, slowly bring your lower body up and land closer to your head. If you can, keep your toes on the mat. You should manage your balance from your palms. Sometimes we will not able to land your legs on the mat, but practice according to your capacity. This is the best asana to avoid sexual issues. If you are suffering from subfertility, this is the best asana to increase the health of subfertility and also affected to the balance of the Mūladhara chakra. Now we are moving to the practice Sarvangasana. Inhale, keep your elbows to support your upper body. Here you can manage your body weight through elbows. While inhaling, raise your legs toward the sky and your legs should be toe point. While exhaling, slowly down your legs. Sometimes you will be not able to raise the legs toward the sky, but practice according to your capacity. This is the best asana to avoid sexual issues. If you are suffering from subfertility, this is the best asana to increase the health of subfertility and also a factor to the balance of the Anahata chakra. Now slowly relax and come to Shavasana to enter today's yoga flow. Relax your total body from down to up. Allow yourself to normal breathe in and breathe out. Give your attention to environment sound. This positive energy, you will stronger. Remove all the negative feelings from your mind and fill your mind with kindness thoughts. Silence is memorable in your mind. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. I